Yachts is a Polish company based in 2002 by a French businessman Francis who brought a tradition and love for catamarans to Poland, and he decided to establish his shipyard over there. We specialize in design, construction, chartering of large and luxury catamarans custom-made, sailing and power. We start at 60 feet and we go up until 200 feet. Why we decided to build luxury catamarans custom-made is simply because 10 years ago this product didn't exist on the market. There were smaller catamaran boats, and Francis wanted to create a catamaran that could be called a yacht. So that is why he decided to focus on the extremely high quality, custom finish and only big units. Until now, in 10 years, we launched 60 units, all custom finished, sailing and power, including 2 super yachts above 100 feet, Che and Ifara, that are now cruising around the world. The company is very famous for its innovative, creative products. It launches 2-3 new models every year, and recently the company, the design team, introduced a new range of super sailing catamarans called Ultimate, which focuses on speed, performance and green features on board. So we can say that Sunreef actually now is a leading company in luxury catamarans.